What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is William Rivera, and in this channel we talk about making money mainly with e-commerce and other investment things like stocks, crypto. But in this video specifically, we're going to be talking about how I made my first $45,000 online with one product, and I'm going to dive deep into the backstory of how I found this. All right, guys, so I'm going to take you back 4 years ago, 2017, when I was working at LA Fitness and I had just got into the dropshipping space. And before I go on with this video, no, I don't work at McDonald's. This is a Travis Scott McDonald's shirt, so save the roast in the comments. I was working at LA Fitness. I was getting paid probably like $8 an hour, and I had seen a dropshipping ad on YouTube, and it got me very intrigued about the topic, right? So I started going to networking events in my area in Atlanta, and I met someone that was actually killing it in the e-com space. Now, obviously meeting someone in person that's actually doing what you want to do in the future, that motivates you, it gives you proof of concept. So once I met someone in my area that was successful in e-commerce, I didn't think of the YouTube ad as just some random advertisement, right? I actually saw dropshipping as like a feasible thing that I could do and make money off of, right? So I started going hard at dropshipping, just learning, just watching hella YouTube videos, taking hella courses, and just dumping every single check that I got from LA Fitness into Facebook ads, just testing different types of products, right? And then one day I was scrolling through my Instagram feed and I saw this bracelet. It's known as a distance bracelet. So it's a white beaded bracelet with one black bead on it, and then it's a black beaded bracelet with one white bead on it, right? And basically it's a couples product. So like the boyfriend wears one, the girlfriend wears one. And I saw it on my Instagram feed. And I follow this tactic and this strategy, and make sure you write this down because this strategy still works to this day, where basically whenever I see advertisements, especially dropshipping advertisements on my feed, what I do is I like the post and I comment on it, because this lets Facebook know that you're interested in the product. Even though you're not interested in the product, you still want to engage with the ad so you can start seeing the retargeting ads, and so the Facebook pixel interacts with you and you start basically getting all of these dropshipping ads in your feed. So once you do this over time, you're going to turn your Instagram and your Facebook account into basically a free product research tool where you're just going to see dropshipping products on your feed all the time from sponsored ads, right? So I kept doing this over and over, and over time I saw this distance bracelet, right? And at first I didn't really think nothing of it. It was getting a lot of comments. I always check the comments, and people were asking where's my order and things like that. So I knew that they were selling it, but again, I didn't think much of it. Weeks went by and I saw the ad again, and then a couple more weeks went by and I saw the ad again. And then I went to their Facebook page, and for you guys that don't know this, if you go to a brand's Facebook page and you scroll down and you click on the page transparency tab that you'll see on the left hand side, it'll let you know if that page is currently running ads, if they have active ads running. And this particular brand currently still had ads running for that bracelet, and they had turned them on months ago, which Facebook lets you know when they turned them on as well. So I was like, dang, I keep seeing this bracelet ad. It keeps getting more and more comments, and they've been running ads for months, meaning I know this bracelet is selling. So I went on AliExpress. I searched for the bracelet. I just typed in bracelet and I sorted the search listings by order, and I saw that bracelet pop up, and it was like $1.50 like on AliExpress. And I was like, wow, these guys are selling it on their website for $27.99 and they're buying it for $1 on AliExpress, right? So the margins were crazy. And the first thing that I thought to myself was, wow, I can create a website and sell this product that I know is selling, and just sell it way cheaper than the competition, because I honestly feel like these guys are taxing, and I can make a better site. So that's exactly what I did. I made a website, and I put that product on the website. I created the website with Shopify. I put that product on the website. I contacted the supplier on AliExpress to let him know that I wanted to drop ship the product, because I always like contacting the suppliers prior to make sure that they have inventory and all that. He was like, all right, bet. And then I started running Facebook ads for my bracelet, and the type of ads that I was running were Instagram story ads. And to this day, I tell everyone that I coach with e-commerce that Instagram story ads are the best type of ads to run, and they've converted for me the most out of any type of ad, right? So I made an Instagram story ad using Canva, which is a free website that lets you create, nice graphics. and they have all the dimensions for you: Instagram feed, Instagram story, etc. But I went on their website, created an Instagram story ad, and it was literally just a picture I found off Google of a guy and a girl holding hands, and they both had the bracelet. And then I just put, natural stone distance bracelets at the top. I added some sauce, and then it just said swipe up at the bottom. And literally that one ad took me from $0 to $45,000 in sales in a couple months selling that one product. And keep in mind, this was 4 years ago. So at the time, I didn't really know what I was doing with Facebook ads. I was really just experimenting. I just had confidence in the e-commerce business model, the dropship business model, because I knew people that were successful in it. And I was learning, as I went on, just making mistakes, learning as I go. I was still able to make $45,000 even with the little knowledge that I had in the e-commerce space. So I hope this story motivates you, and I hope you really pursue e-commerce, because even though I started 4 years ago, right now is a better time than it was 4 years ago, simply because more and more people are shopping online than ever before. Brands are growing out of nowhere. I don't know if you guys know the brand Glamnetic. They're the fastest growing beauty brand. They literally started, I think, last year or this year. So e-com brands are killing it, and you definitely want to get a piece of that market share with all the money that's being spent online right now. All right, guys, if you found value in this video, leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And, my goal is to just help as much people as I can. If you have any questions, you can leave that in the comment section down below as well. But if not, you don't have to. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.